Shri Guru Ganadhapate Namah. In the last episode, I had explained the story where Datta Maharaj blessed the Brahmin couple who were there in Pitapur, that was Sumati and Apala Raja. So, due to Datta Maharaja's blessings, there was a birth of his incarnation. Datta Maharaj was born there and he was named as Shri Pada because he had all those spiritual signs on his feet. So Shri Pada was the name given to him. Now at the age of 7, according to this Hindu Dharma, Shri Pada was made to undergo thread ceremony, Upanayana Samskara. So after this thread ceremony was done, the people who had visited that ceremony, they were actually shocked because Shripada Swami immediately started explaining the Vedas, Upanishads, everything, the highest level of knowledge, such that he can stand in front of the people who had high level of knowledge and can debate. To that level knowledge he had explained in that area, in that environment. So everybody was shocked. Now, after that, everybody were happy. This child had literally a lot of knowledge, and he was sent to Gurukula to get knowledge in future, to study all adhyayas of your Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, everything were taught to him. At the marriageable age, somewhere around 16, at that time, their parents decided to do the marriage of Shri Pada Swami. At that time, they came and asked for the opinion from him. Smilingly, Shri Pada Swami told, "Renunciation alone is my companion in my life. Vairagyastri. So, since I am married to Vairagyastri, renunciation in my life, any other women on this earth are equivalent to mother for me, since I am already married. So, because of that, from today, you all have to call me Shri Vallabha. Vallabha means husband. Shri means that power. So Vairagya power, renunciation power. Since I am married to her, from today you people will call me as Shri Vallabh." Immediately these parents remembered the blessings what they had got from Datta Maharaj. So they could clearly get the symbol or a sign that yes, Shri Pada Shri Vallabha Swami is none other than incarnation of Lord Dattatreya. But a mother's heart is always the same. She started crying in front of that child and told her pain over there. "You might be a god to the complete society, but after your birth, we had forgotten all the pains what we had in our past. We didn't have kids. The kids who were there are also the handicapped one. One is blind and one is not able to walk. But seeing you, I had thought that in our olden days, when we grow old, you will look after us, parents, and also your elder brothers. But today, after you leave us and go, who will look after us?" This was the pain the mother had. And she started crying in front of Shri Pada Shri Vallabh. He is the one who is filled with full of kindness. He told, "Mata, never put tears in front of this strong son. You will lead a happy life in future after I leave this home also. So never cry." And he gave his blessings to his elder brothers. The one who didn't have those visual powers, he got his vision back. and the one who didn't had legs, his next elder brother, he got strength in his legs and he could able to walk. And he blessed his mother. Sripada Sri Vallabha Swami blessed his mother and told Mate, in future, in your olden days, my brothers who are good today, they will look after you very much happily. You can marry them. They will give birth to your grandchildren and you can lead a happy life with your grandchildren, your daughter-in-law and your son. You need not have to worry. And I will show you the path for liberation. So I am there for you. So don't put tears. So after convincing his parents, Sripad Sri Vallabha Swami left for his pilgrimage. By this Adhyaya, the next Adhyaya, that is this 5th Adhyaya, got completed. In the next Adhyaya, we will see that Sripad Sri Vallabha Swami, after going to different places, what and all Leelas he showed to this human community, how he protected his disciples, all those beautiful stories we will listen in the upcoming episodes. Till then, भगवान गुरु श्री श्रीधर गुरुदास स्वामी महाराज की जय. जय जय गुरुदेव दत्ता. जय जय वीर समर्था.